Hello everybody. This is Watt 4, June the 19th, 2020. I am Stephen Bowman, and I want to talk about bird poop. Have you ever noticed, it seems like every time you wash your car that a bird messes it up? Well, I've noticed it a lot, especially when my car is just sitting in the driveway. Got quite a few trees around here, and it seems like it's always after I wash it. And so I Googled it. I said, what causes birds to do that? And they actually had an answer. And so what they said was, I noticed that a lot of time it was like on the side mirrors right here. And what they said was the bird sees its reflection in the side view mirrors and it gets excited. And that's why that happens. And so I tried something. I pushed my mirrors in on both sides and let my car sit in the driveway. And every time I've done that, my car has stayed clean. So, you tell me, coincidence or truth? I don't know. I think it could have some truth to it. They see their reflection and they get excited. It got me to thinking, what do we see when we see our reflection? Most of the time when I look in the mirror, I don't look very long. I don't necessarily like what I see. But I do like myself better than I used to. And so I guess I have improved. I would like to say that my reflection is a bit of Jesus. I hope that it is. What I found is every day's a new day, and you really have to start each day over, because we always mess up. But if we dwell on messing up, then we have a bad image of or a reflection of ourselves. And what we need to do is forgive ourselves and just realize that tomorrow's a new day and we can start over. God always forgives us. I think sometimes we dwell too much on our past instead of really looking toward the future. I know I'm sure never going to be perfect. Not even close. But when I look at myself, when I see my reflection, I'm pretty satisfied. Not with the physical, but just knowing what I've accomplished that day or how I maybe have helped someone that day makes you feel good. Now, I know some people would say, well, I have no conscience. I don't care about what I've done or what I'm doing. And there's probably some truth to that too. But you really can't hide the things you've done or the things you're doing. The Lord of the universe surely knows. And there's someone else that knows, and that's yourself. You always know what you've done. And that will never go away. You can forgive yourself. But you really just need to, when you see your reflection, make it anew every day. That what you want to become, what you hope to be, and that's the reflection that you'll turn into be. I sure don't want to have a messy reflection. I know when I park my car in the driveway, I'm going to push my mirrors in. It saves a lot of cleanup. You guys have a great weekend. Welcome to What For, and hope you can tune in next week. Stay healthy, well, and do your best to just live right. Oh my goodness, I just ran into a baby rabbit. Look at that. There he is. All right, have a great weekend.